Hi, my name is Louis, and I work as an investment consultant in the financial sector, and I'm the owner of a 5-room resale HDB flat. My renovation took around 2 months, and it cost around 60,000. I've envisioned blending in a study or working space in my home, a space that is practical yet stylish design space. I also wanted the living room to give off the sense of openness, while also having a clear separation between the study area and the TV space. What I love most about the living room is the arc-shaped reinforcing design. I wanted an elegant and timeless touch while keeping a modern look to the living room. For the kitchen, I added a marble backsplash for a luxurious, timeless feel. It enhances the wall sconce lighting and spaciousness of the kitchen. The pull-out cabinet keep our cooking essentials organized and clutter-free. The green shaker-style cabinet, as well as the patent flooring tiles, creates a contrasting look for the kitchen. Despite having a smaller bathroom space, the pastel green wall tiles really help brighten up the space without being too overwhelming. Also, there's a handy little latch behind the sink where we can place our toiletries. We also opt for a glass panel that helps separate the shower and sink areas, but still keeps everything feeling open. We wanted our bedroom to have a cozy yet sophisticated feel and a calming atmosphere that's perfect for winding down at the end of the day. We extended the wainscoting details from the living room to the bedroom, opting for a timeless rectangular panel design that frames the wall sconce. For the master toilet, we chose marble tiles for a luxurious, timeless feel. The glass panel keeps the open, seamless look that I love. The floor tiles added a touch of French-inspired charm. We saved the best for last. Behind these doors is our walk-in wardrobe and makeup area, where the previous owners had hacked down the wall between the common bedroom and the master, giving us the perfect opportunity to create spacious and functional wardrobe system. We went with full-height cabinets so that we had ample storage for all our clothes and accessories. The vanity plays a key part in my daily routine, and it has a hidden compartment that opens up to store my daily essentials, keeping the table clutter-free and also what I use often conveniently. One of the standout features is the handbag display shelf, complete with built-in lighting, beautifully illuminating the items inside. It truly elevates the space, giving it the feel of a boutique shop right within the room, and I couldn't be more pleased with the outcome. From my first meeting to the end, my designer Paige from Comfort Home Interior have been a huge help, catering to my needs and giving me a peace of mind. She made the renovation process smooth and stress-free so that I can focus on my daily work life, which has been very hectic. To wrap it all up, I just want to say a huge thank you to Comfort Home Interior and my designer Paige for bringing the vision to life. From the little details to the big ideas, everything turned out even better than I've imagined. I truly couldn't be happier with my new home. Thank you for making this journey so smooth and memorable.